Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. I'm so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Kayanne. And she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Kayanne, love your work. You have inspired me to start my own event rental business. I haven't started just yet, but I'm about to." Kayanne, I just want to stop and say I'm so incredibly proud of you. So proud of you. Thanks to you, I know how to make some nice centerpieces for rent. I was wondering, can you help me make some numbers as well for the tables? I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks. Kayanne, not only am I going to show you how to make some numbers that look very similar to these, I'm going to be able to do it at $5 a cost. So it's going to save you in cost to create as well as what you will have to charge for it to be rented. So I'm so excited. I love a female entrepreneur. So let's get started with this week's project for Kayanne, which are our elegant table number decor for $5. All right, guys, let's get started. To create our table numbers, we're going to use these floral wood appliques. Now, any will do. These are just ones I picked up from my local craft store. Now, for me, I always double them, which means I buy a total of 4 so I can glue them back to back. That gives your table numbers more stability. Now that our appliques are ready, we're going to go ahead and attach them to the 6.5-inch circle wood shape. And I place mine toward the back side of the circle to give myself more room for the MissPlanIt flowers that I'm going to apply later. For this next step, we're going to use our ivory MissPlanIt roses. And for this step, you can choose to use 3 MissPlanIt roses or simply 1. It's really up to you. Well, Kayanne, can you believe that this project cost us $5 per table number? You can reuse these on so many different occasions, not just weddings, but I can see them being used at a bridal shower, at a baby shower, at a princess party. They are so versatile and inexpensive. So I hope you like them, Kayanne. Best of luck on your new business. I cannot wait to hear the praise reports. Well, if you like this project, go ahead and like us. You can subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted every single week. And if you want an extra special notification, just simply click on that little bell right down in the corner and you will get a special notification from us the moment our videos are live. You can also ask us a question or send us a comment. We love your words of encouragement. It just helps to push us on to be better and better every day. In addition to that, you are welcome to follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what in the world are you waiting for? They pay you to shop, and it's absolutely free. We use it here at MissPlanIt. We just want to pass on the savings to you. If you'd like to sign up, head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your Rakuten account, find your vendors, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month. In addition to that, check out our MissPlanItShop.com where you can find all of your planning guide needs. We have several planning guides there for you. They are digital, so you do not have to wait for them to be shipped to your home. You simply can purchase them and receive the downloadable information to start your DIY planning for your wedding or special event. In addition to that, we have our own line of flowers. We will have 4 different color of roses. I will be using them in all of our projects, so you'll see exactly what you can use them for. If you want to know the moment our roses are available online, simply click on the newsletter link in the description and you will get a notification the moment they become available. I am so excited. We've been working on this for months and I'm just excited to pass on these beautiful flowers and the savings onto you, our community. In addition to that, if you want to hang out some more, head on over to our website where you can hang out with me on our MissPlanIt Home channel where I do DIY projects for my home as well as the home of my family and friends. So head on over to our website or just click right there in that corner and let's do some more DIY. What do you say? Our time goes by so fast and I have an absolute blast hanging out with you, and I'm so grateful that you have chosen to spend this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube and we just want you to know we appreciate every like, we appreciate every comment, we appreciate every just encouraging thing that you guys do for us every single week. With that being said, if you have a project that we can help you with, by all means, send us your project. Go on down to the description, click on the project request tab, and follow the very easy steps. Well, guys, our time has come to an end, so I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.